guys ever wondered what actually happens inside a microwave? Put a piece of meat inside. It gets so hot it actually cooks. Put a paper plate inside, it barely warms up. That's because microwaves don't heat everything. They target molecules that can move with the wave. Water molecules have a positive and a negative side. Microwaves make them twist back and forth really fast. That rapid motion creates friction and friction becomes heat. So inside a microwave, it's really the water that's heating.